As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, Bitcoin money cost will hit $200 by the center of 2025 and afterward $250 by the center of 2028. Bitcoin money will ascend to $300 inside the extended period of 2029, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023 to 2024. Bitcoin money cost began in 2023 at $96.35. Today, Bitcoin money exchanged at $132.51. So the cost expanded by 38% from the outset of the year. The determined Bitcoin money cost toward the finish of 2023 is $155, and the year-to-year change plus 61%, which explicitly is very critical. The ascent from today to year-end plus 17% in 2023. We hope to see $149 per one Bitcoin money in a significant manner. In the principal half of 2024, the Bitcoin money cost will smooth to $155. In the last part, the cost would in a real sense at $18. Thursday, blemish to $133. Friday, blemish 3 $133. Saturday, blemish 4 $133. Sunday, blemish 5 $133, which is genuinely critical. Monday, blemish 6 $133. Tuesday, blemish 7 $133. Wednesday, blemish 8 $134. Walk 15 $135. April 15 $139. May 15 $143. June 15 $147. July 15 $149 incredibly. August 15 $151. Bitcoin money forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would by and large bring an increment. Bitcoin money cost would move from $173 to $318, which explicitly is up 84%. Bitcoin money will begin 2025 at $173, then fundamentally take off to $200 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $209. That implies plus 58% from today. Bitcoin money expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Bitcoin money cost would ascend from $318 to $392, which is plus 23%. Bitcoin money will begin 2030 at $318, then, at that point, generally take off to $302 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2030 at $319. It is about plus 141% from today. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023 to 2024. Bitcoin money cost began in 2023 at $96.35. Today, Bitcoin money exchanged at $133.92. So the cost expanded by 39% from the start of the year. The estimated Bitcoin money cost toward the finish of 2023 by and large is $156, and the year-to-year change plus 62%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 16%. In 2023, we hope to see $150 per one Bitcoin money. In the principal half of 2024, the Bitcoin money cost will straighten to $156. In the fundamentally final part, the cost would at $18, and in a real sense, close the year at $174, which is plus 30% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Bitcoin money cost would move from $174 to $321, which most certainly is up 84%, which is very critical. Bitcoin money will begin 2025 at $174, then take off to $201 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $210. That basically implies plus 57% from today. Bitcoin money expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Bitcoin money cost would ascend from $321 to $394, which is plus 23%. Bitcoin money will begin 2030 at $321 and finish 2030 at $321. It sort of is about plus 140% from today in an unpretentious manner. 1/15/2023 Bitcoin money value forecast 2023 to 2024. Bitcoin money cost began in 2023 at $96.35. Today, Bitcoin money exchanged at $124.58. So the cost expanded by 29% from the very outset of the year in a significant manner. The determined Bitcoin money cost toward the finish of 2023 is $130, and the year-to-year change plus 35%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 4%. In 2023, we hope to see $138 per 1 Bitcoin money, which is very critical. In the primary portion of 2024, the Bitcoin money cost will drop to $112. In the very last part, the cost would add $9 and close the year at $121, which is 3% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money forecasts 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Bitcoin money cost would move from $121 to $251, which is up 107%. Bitcoin money will begin 2025 at $121, then, at that point, generally take off to $135 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $155. That especially implies plus 24% from today. Bitcoin money forecasts 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Bitcoin money cost would ascend from $251 to $363, which is plus 45%. Bitcoin money will begin 2030 at $251, then, at that point, take off to $266 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $281. It is about plus 126% from today, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. 2023 Bitcoin money value expectation. 2023 to 2024 Bitcoin money cost began in 2023 at $96.35. Today, Bitcoin money exchanged at $96.44, so the cost in a real sense diminished by 0% from the outset of the year. The determined Bitcoin money cost toward the finish of 2023 is $118.95, and the year-to-year change plus 23% in a genuinely significant manner. The ascent from today to year-end plus 23%, which really is genuinely critical. In 2023, we really hope to see $126.23 per 1 Bitcoin money. In the principal half of 2024, the Bitcoin money cost will drop to $102.49. In the last part, the cost would in every practical sense at $8.16 and close the year at $110.65, which generally is plus 15% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money forecasts 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Bitcoin money cost would sort of move from $110.65 to $229.70, which is up 108%. Or so they thought. Bitcoin money will explicitly begin 2025 at $110.65, then basically take off to $123.60 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $142.14. That in every practical sense implies plus 47% from today. Bitcoin money expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Bitcoin money cost would in every practical sense ascend from